Hi, this is Brooke, and progress has been made on clearing out the trees around the property. All of the trees have been converted into wood chips, and we'll use those around the property so that nothing goes to waste. And we have some frog visitors as well. As you can see, a lot of space has been cleared. We took out all of the trees that were where we wanted to build the house, as well as any that were dead. I should have a video on the upcoming demolition out soon, and I hope to see you guys then.